Hello everyone, welcome to Real Class. I am still your mentor, your tutor, Ido MA. Now, we are looking at another topic, very crucial one in English, and we call it preposition. What do we mean by preposition? Preposition has to do with the relationship between one thing and another. For example, the book is on the chair. The relationship between the book and the chair is on. So we could say on is a preposition. If I say Jesus Christ died for you and me, the relationship between Jesus, you, and me is for. So for is a preposition. Now, when you are using some certain words, there are prepositions that should go with them. And that's what we mean by prepositions being crucial. Because if you check your JAM past questions and of course CCME and SSC, you discover that many of these questions under prepositions are what? Rampant. Now we start with anxious. The word anxious goes with about. So you don't say what are you anxious of, but what are you anxious about? All right? What are you anxious about? You tell someone what are you anxious about, not what are you anxious of. Then we talk about this one, congratulations. What congratulations here goes with for. On. Congratulations on your wedding. Again, congratulations does not go with any other preposition. It doesn't go with for. Rather, it goes with on. Okay? Yes. Stab. Anytime you use stab, be rest assured that the preposition that goes with it is in. The body was stabbed in the back. It was stabbed. You are stabbed in any part of your body, not at. So stabbed in. All right. So that's that. Then shot. The word shot also goes with in. That boy was shot in the head, not shot on the head. You get it? All right. Heading, to be going to a particular place. All right. So heading goes with for. My friend, where are you heading for? I am heading for Benin, not I am heading to Benin. All right. So heading goes with for, and I've earlier told you short goes with in. Okay. Then we talk about sleep. One always sleeps in bed. All right. You cannot sleep on bed. You sleep in bed. However, you can do some other activities on bed. You can pray on bed. You can eat on bed. All right. You can do any other thing on bed, but certainly you must sleep in bed. And then convicted. The word convicted as a verb normally goes with the preposition of. So one is convicted of a particular crime. All right. You are convicted of a particular crime. Then you are charged with a case. All right. You are charged with a murder case. For example, charge goes with what? With. Charged with. All right. Then you kill. One has to be in the queue. So the word queue goes with in. You are in the queue. You are not on the queue. All right. The same thing with line. You are expected to be in the line, not on the line or at the line. Okay. Then you are also in the sun. Stop walking in the sun. It is bad for your health. Not stop walking under the sun. All right. Under the sun is an idiom which means in the whole world. For example, no man under the sun can beat me. All right. Then you talk about rain. You also walk in the rain. You don't walk under the rain. You walk in the rain. Then you are mad at a particular situation or mad at someone because of what the person has done or what the situation appears to be. Then we talk about drive. The word drive goes with at. All right. What are you driving at? All right. What are you driving at? Then if it is vehicle, it also goes with at. The man drives at full speed, not drive with full speed. Okay. You understand the way it is now. All right. Then we put it here. Then you talk about long run. All right. Long run normally goes with what? In the long run. All right. In the long run. Okay. Not on the long run. In the long run. Then you talk about round up. There is a difference between round off and round up. Okay. You round off an activity. All right. When activity that you have engaged yourself in is gradually going to an end, you are getting ready to round off. All right. But to round up means to arrest. Let me make use of the two so you understand better. I am getting ready to round off with this lecture. Then the armed robbers have been rounded up. You see how it is. So when you climb a tree too, the next one says that you are in the tree. You are not on the tree. When you climb a tree, you are in it. Then car. You come in your car. All right? The man came in his car, not he came with his car. Remember that in English, one is not expected to be with something that doesn't have life. All right? Yes, you can't be with a book. Rather, you have the book. For example, you say, John is with my book. It is very wrong. Rather, you say, John has my book. All right? Yes. But if it has to do with public transportation, it carries on. He came, I am on the bus right now. Call me later. All right? Passengers on board and all that. So you came in your car, then prefer goes with what? So, not that. I prefer orange to banana. Not I prefer orange than banana. It's I prefer orange towards banana. Then you are wary of a particular situation. Wary goes with what? Off. When it has to do with knowledge, some people say impact, IMPACT. Our teacher impacted knowledge on. No, it is not even correct. The word impact, all right, does not have to do with that. You have impart, this is the spelling, IMPART, impart knowledge to. So impart goes with what? So. Then verge, not at the verge of, you are on the verge of a particular situation. All right? I hope you are following. So that's that. So you are on the verge. So the word verge goes with what? On. All right? So we talk about made of. So after making a particular thing, if you can still see the material with which that thing is made of, then it is expected of you to use of. For example, that door is made of wood, because having made the door, it is still obvious that the door is made of that wood. All right, you can still see the wood even after making the what? Door. So you use of. All right, then made from. You use made from. After making that material, you cannot see the material with which you have used to make that particular thing. All right, for example, that soap is made from palm oil, because after making the soap, you can no longer see the palm oil. So that's that. Then we look at disappointed. There is a difference between disappointed in and disappointed at. One is disappointed in someone, but you are disappointed at what they do, or disappointed at a particular situation. John, I am so surprised. I am disappointed in you. John, I am so surprised. I am disappointed at what you did. Okay? So once more, you are disappointed in someone and you are disappointed at a situation or at what they have done. Then popular. One is known to be popular with. All right? You are popular with, like John is popular with the girls. All right? John is popular with the girls. All right? Then you adjourn a case or adjourn a particular situation until or till. All right? Yes. Then interested. You are interested in a particular situation or you are interested in someone. So the word interested here goes with what? Into. All right? Then you should also know that result does not go with the preposition to. Something results in something. Something that does not result to. All right? Yes. The way that boy is behaving can result in serious failure. All right, not result to serious failure. No, it results in serious failure. Then you believe in a particular situation. You don't believe on a particular, you believe in. So the word believe is expected to go with what? In. All right, and the word street also what? Takes the preposition on. All right, take the street on your left. Take the street on your left, not take the street by your left. All right, but when it means to reside, somewhere, you now use in. I live in these streets. All right, but Americans will prefer on. I live on these streets. But British English, I live in these streets. All right, yes. Then the word inferior goes with to. You are inferior to, then superior to. During the days of racism, the blacks were inferior to the whites, while the whites were superior to the blacks. Okay, so you need to know how to use them. Then mete out to. All right, yes. The kind of punishment meted out to. So the word meted out goes with to, not meted out on. It's not correct. So the kind of punishment meted out to the blacks during the days of racism was not good at all. So it is meted out. So you mete out something. So that's that. We should know that the inferior here emphatically goes with two, and superior goes with two, and meet out also goes with what? Two. So having understood this, in our next class, we shall look at a more crucial topic.